how to turn on or turn off savings notifications on Amazon shopping app. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn on or turn off savings notification on the Amazon shopping app. So this is very simple. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have the Amazon shopping app installed on your mobile device. Once you have had that installed, go ahead and launch the app by opening the app. So once you're on the app, you'll be taken to the app interface where you see products that can be gotten and etc. And then by the lower part of the screen, you'll see 4 options, namely the home icon, the profile icon, the cart icon, as well as 3 dashes. All right, so the next point is to select the 3 dashes. Now once you select the 3 dashes, once I select the 3 dashes, my screen will go blank because Amazon does not support sharing the screen of your profile. All right, but you would understand as I explain. So once you click on the 3 dashes, you'll be taken to another page. On this page, you'll see settings, country and language, notifications, permission, legal and about etc. Just select notifications. Notification is located below country and language. When you select notifications, you'll be taken to the notifications page, as you can see on my screen. And then the next thing for you to do is to select deals and recommendations. Deals and recommendations is located below account and shipping. And then we take it to the deals and recommendations page. On this page, you will see the savings icons, the recommendations icon, as well as the new releases. So currently you can see that mine is turned on already. So you want to turn this off, all I need to do is just to push or tap on it, and then it will be turned off automatically. But if yours is turned off like this, just tap on it and then it will come on automatically as well. Very simple, right? So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.